Hi my dear friends, today in this video we will find the Mahzooz best winning pattern for the coming draw. These are the past results whenever three numbers came as a first place like 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and now this is seventh time three number had came as the first number in our previous result of Mahzooz. According to this result, we will find the best pattern. Please look at carefully. You will get the great help from this trick. Friends, when first time 3 was came as the first number, after that these numbers was came in the result. In second time, these numbers. In third time, these. Fourth time, these. Fifth time, these. Sixth time, these. And now seventh time, result is awaiting. Simply we will see in which series the most numbers was came. From 1 to 9 the numbers came. In first no, in second no number, in third 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 numbers came out of 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 draws. 4 numbers came out of 6 draws from 1 to 9, then 10 to 19, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers came between 10 to 19 and 20 to 29, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 numbers came in 6 draws. Then from 30 to 39, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers came in 6 draws from 30 to 39. In last 40 to 49, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Also 7 numbers in 6 draws from 40 to 49. Now it is clear about the pattern. You can see the most numbers came from 20 to 29, from 20 to 29, and in second from 10 to 19, 7 number in 30 to 39 and 7 number in 40 to 49. The very lowest numbers when the 3 numbers came as the first number. After that 4 numbers came in 6 draws from 1 to 9. Okay friends, so the best pattern, you should select your 3 numbers from 10 to 29. You should select 3 numbers for the coming draw from 10 to 29 and 2 numbers from 1 to 9 are 30 to 39 and 40 to 49. Only 2 numbers you should select from these series, 1 to 9, 30 to 39, 40 to 49. You can also skip one series from these series. You can skip from 1 to 9 or 30 to 39 or 40 to 49. In 2 series you should select 2 numbers, and between 10 to 29 you should select 3 numbers. This is the best winning pattern for the coming draw of Mahzooz according to the history. Now it's up to you. Final decision is yours. Now let's see another routine. Friends, these are same dates past result of Mahzooz. I explained many times this trick. Hopefully you can understand easily. Friends, in the Mahzooz history, total 4 times draws was held on 5th date. First time 5th December 2020. This was the result 4, 7, 8, 14, 33 and 47. Second time 5th June 2021. Again first number is 4, 18, 20, 21, 29, 36. In last third time you can see 5th February 2022. 9, 14, 25, 34 and 44. 4 home figure is 9. I already showed in many videos. So the best first number for the coming draw 4 or 9 according to the this trick. Now 4 time draw is drawing on 5th March 2022. You can select your lucky numbers from these three results: 1, 2 and 3. This is best trick for you. If you like any number from it, you can choose according to this pattern. So finally, good luck to all and wait for my final prediction for the coming draw of Mahzooz. Goodbye.